This is the excretory products and their elimination test 10. Here comes the first question. In bony fishes, most of the ammonia is released as 1. Ammonia by kidneys, 2. Ammonia by gill epithelium, 3. Ammonium ions by gill epithelium, 4. Ammonium ions by kidneys. Next comes the second question. The following is or are uricotelic. 1. Cockroach, 2. Lizard, 3. Land snail, 4. All the above. Next comes the third question. Pericardial glands are the excretory organs of 1. Annelids, 2. Arthropods, 3. Mollusks, 4. Echinoderms. Next comes the fourth question. Kidneys in man are located in between the levels of 1. Third thoracic and last lumbar vertebrae, 2. Last thoracic and third lumbar vertebrae, 3. Last thoracic and last lumbar vertebrae, 4. Third thoracic and third lumbar vertebrae. Next comes the fifth question. Types of epithelium, in bracket the given epitheliae that found in PCT and DCT is or are 1. Simple squamous epithelium, 2. Simple cuboidal epithelium, 3. Simple columnar epithelium, 4. Pseudostratified epithelium. Next comes the sixth question. Short loops of Henle are found in 1. Juxtamedullary nephrons, 2. Juxtaglomerular nephrons, 3. Medullary nephrons, 4. Cortical nephrons. Next comes the seventh question. The crowded cells of distal convoluted tubule at the point of contact of tubule with afferent arteriole are called 1. Juxtaglomerular cells, 2. Macula densa, 3. Loop of Henle, 4. Vasa recta. Next comes the eighth question. Podocytes of nephron are 1. Simple squamous cells, 2. Stratified squamous cells, 3. Simple ciliated columnar cells, 4. Simple non-ciliated columnar cells. Next comes the ninth question. In human, the glomerular filtrate that entering the proximal convoluted tubule is 1. Hypertonic to cortical interstitial fluid, 2. Isotonic to cortical interstitial fluid, 3. Hypotonic to cortical interstitial fluid, 4. Isotonic to cortical and medullary interstitial fluid. Next comes the 10th question. In nephron, the free surfaces with the brush borders are seen in 1. Proximal convoluted tubule, 2. Distal convoluted tubule, 3. Descending limb of loop of Henle, 4. Ascending limb of loop of Henle. Next comes the 11th question. The operation of vasa recta to maintain hyperosmotic gradient in the medullary interstitial fluid is called 1. Selective reabsorption, 2. Glomerular filtration, 3. Tubular secretion, 4. Counter current exchange. Next comes the 12th question. More the volume of the blood, the following is released more. 1. ACE by lungs, 2. Aldosterone by adrenal cortex, 3. ADH by neurohypophysis, 4. ANF by heart. Next comes the 13th question. Identify the incorrect statement from the following. 1. Land snail excretes nitrogenous waste as cockroach. 2. Rotifer has protonephridia as flatworms. Next, 3. Green glands of crustacean receive nitrogenous waste from hemolymph like malphizian tubules of cockroach. 4. Pericardial glands are found in mollusks as in lancelets. Next comes the 14th question. In selective secretion, the secretion of materials from 1. Capillary net to interstitial fluid, 2. Lumen of nephron. 2. Lumen of nephron to interstitial fluid to capillary net. 3. Capillary net to lumen of nephron to interstitial fluid. 4. Interstitial fluid to lumen of nephron to capillary net. Next comes the 15th question. In primary urine, 1. High threshold substances only present. 2. Low threshold substances only present. 3. A threshold substances only present. 4. High threshold, low threshold and athreshold substances are present.